Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fanat. Today let us see the last sum of exercise 11.1. Tick the correct answer in the following question. Area of sector of angle P in degrees of a circle with radius r. We know area of sector is given by the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Here they have given the theta as P. P by 360 into pi r square. Let us exclude the first and third option because there is no pi r square. We are left with 2 pi r. In the second option, it is given as pi by 180, but we have to receive it as pi by 360. So second option is also not the answer. Therefore, the answer is the fourth option. We'll see how. They have given it as p by 720 into 2 pi r square. Cancelling this 2, we get 360. Therefore, we are left with p by 360 into pi r square. Therefore, fourth option is our answer. Let us see in another interesting chapter from tomorrow. Until then, it's bye-bye. Thank you. Happy learning.